Okay friends, so this is a small work on Microsoft Excel to calculate the enrollment of students from UBI data. So what I have done here is I have downloaded one of the UBI file as visible to you all. So this is the latest UBI file. I have downloaded it today, Monday, May 23, 2022. You will also receive one file, UBI enrollment data KVR1 test. This file is visible to you. Steps to follow are written in the first sheet of instructions. We are going to use this particular Excel file to calculate the flawless UBI based enrollment. The first condition for this to have a flawless enrollment is that our UBI data must be perfect. So the first request is that kindly keep your UBI data as best as possible, as verified as possible, so that your enrollment that comes out from this software is worth utilization. So the steps are written here. You all can read it while performing the whole exercise. I am just showing you what to do and how to get the enrollment using this sheet. As you can see here, the worksheet UBI enrollment data KVR1 test. It contains instructions, then UBI data overall, a blank sheet, UBI data boys, another blank sheet, UBI data girls, another blank sheet. We are going to paste our data here and then it will do the calculations in this format. So all this portion will come here in its own. The whole calculation will be done by this Excel macro. So you don't have to worry about the calculation part. You simply have to do the steps as I am showing you all here. You have to come to UBI data overall sheet. Please note it down once again. UBI data O sheet. Now what to do here? We have to take our UBI enrollment file, copy it, and as you can see I am using this plus symbol mouse click in this corner to select the whole data. So I have selected the whole data, Control C for copy, and after copying this data I am coming back to the UBI sheet, UBI data overall, the topmost left portion, and here I am doing a paste operation. Whole sheet is to be pasted as it is, without any manipulation, without any deletion of column, no merging. You can only correct the data if it is not correct in UBI. You can do a manual correction here in the part of data depending on what your school needs. So let the data get copied. Have patience. It will take time pasting your data. It will also take time when we are going to run the macro or the formula. So here it is. The whole data is pasted. Currently my enrollment of Vidyalaya contains 2119 records. So not 119, sorry. It is 2219 records. So we are going to do our next work. After this paste, please select from row number 7 to 1 or 1 to 7 vice versa. Select it all and simply do a deletion. So now this is the actual data we need. We need the header row and the whole data. Now you don't have to do anything special. Simply press Ctrl plus M. Once again, Ctrl M, and let the macro do the work. This macro will select the data from the UBI data overall sheet and it will paste the data of boys in the next sheet, that is UBI data boys. Later on it will do the same process. It will take the data of girls from the main sheet and will paste in the UBI Data Girls worksheet. This process may take some time depending on the size of your data. So hopefully this step happens good. If any interruption comes, do not worry. You can simply filter the data from the main database or the worksheet of UBI and paste accordingly. That is what? In UBI Data O sheet, paste the complete data starting from row number 8 to all. Similarly, in UBI's Data Boys, paste the whole data of boys only. In UBI Data Girls, paste the data of girls only. Right now I was able to see the interruption. It happened because my other Excel files were open and I missed to close the files. Right now I am closing it because it gives the burden to the storage or the memory maybe. Right now I have deleted. I am not sure whether whole data is pasted or not, but still let us see what comes out. Our all three sheets are populated here now. UBI Data Overall, UBI Data Boys, UBI Data Girls, and this is the calculation for RO sheet ready for you all. Just see, 2219, the total count is here. Also, it is automatically prepared for RO sheet also. You can change the KV name as required. For example, the KV which particularly I belong to is Riva number 1. Date you can type in here. Today is 23, so 23. And as soon as I will change the KV name, it will automatically change the station code and KV code, etc. So just choose the right KV name from this combo box and your whole data UBI calculation from UBI sheet is ready. For RO sheet is ready. Overall school UBI enrollment boys and also the girls is ready in a separate sheet here. Then as you all can see here, overall section wise sheet is also ready. All the things depend on the correctness of your data. Fine. So overall school boy girl data and overall section wise boy girl data is ready here, and thus you can utilize this particular Excel file for preparation of enrollment for the KVs, particularly to be submitted to regional office. You can add the number of sections for your KV here. As you can see, I have 2 sections of science. So it is here, we have done this. So here it is the whole sheet ready. Thanks for watching the whole video and hope this software helps a lot. If any problem in any calculation, kindly report or mail to Riva1KV referring to PGTCS. Thank you very much.